Hello everyone, this is Michael from HardwareGeeks.com, and right here in front of you is the HP Z600 Workstation. This is the mid-range system of the new line that HP released a few months ago. The other two are the Z400 and the Z800, which is a beast of a machine. The Z600 has this fin-like design which helps increase some cool airflow from the front and kicks out the hot air in the back. The design was a joint design from HP and BMW Design Works. If you look right here and right here, you'll notice that there are two handles, which makes it for easy carrying. You can lift it up with one hand very easily. The side panel door is a nice aluminum, which has a key lock and a latch that you can just open. Let's zoom in a bit on the inside of the case, and let's see if we get some more light in there. So you notice that this system has two CPUs. They're both from Intel Xeon 5500s. If you look at the way the heat sink and the fans are set up, they're set up to blow towards the back. Normally you would see the fan blowing down. HP did this to help extract hot air from the system. If you notice here, this is a fan vent and it has an actual fan. It actually covers all of your memory, and it pulls the warm air or hot air that's over your memory and pushes it out the back of the system. Two fans here to help along the hot air from the middle of the system. If you notice, there are green touch points all over the system. These touch points indicate where you can touch to remove something. For example, right here, touch there, you can easily pull the fan out. Another touch point here, same thing, pulls the fan out. Unlike the top fan, there's a little wire connected to the motherboard, so you'll have to detach that wire. Here's your hard drive bay. This one's full, this one's empty. Let me give you a quick example on how to install hard drive on here. You just separate the bottom part. Make sure that the little pegs go into the screw holes for the hard drive. Do the same in the back. Push in the hard drive, wait for the snap, push up the handle, just install the hard drive. The power supply on the bottom is a bit unique. Let's look at that. There's a little latch here that you just pull, it comes out. There's just one cable attached to actually there's two cables attached to the motherboard. And if you flip it over, you see the plugs that actually go into the motherboard. This is a unique PSU designed specifically for the Z600. The Z800 also has something similar to this, but it's located at the top, and it's a bit different, but similar concept. Push that back in, wait for it, and just snap the lever back in place. The design of the case is meant to be toolless, so you really need no tools to remove anything. You have easy access to the memory at the top. CPU is right here. You do need to use a screwdriver to remove the CPUs. In fact, you can, if you're strong enough, you can probably even use your fingers to unscrew the heatsink fan. I don't know if you guys can see right there, but the motherboard has a unique design as well. It's not square. It has kind of like a notch in it. That was done to give you more wiggle room when you have your hands in there and you're working with the CD drives or other hard drives that you might have here. This back in snaps in fairly easily. Has a ATI video card, and a Firewire card, and that's pretty much it. It's a kick-ass system. Can't wait to try it out. Check back with us in a few days for our review.